Things that therapeutic to me as a girly mama. I am going back to my journaling habit. Ayan siya. What I love doing recently is within our pictures. Look, February pa lang pero halos makalahati ko na yung journal ko. I'm so happy kasi very therapeutic talaga sa akin yung pag-journal. Yung mga arts and crafts, kahit hindi naman talaga ako creative na tao. And yun yung maganda kasi sa journal. You don't have to be creative. You don't have to be great at art. Because this is like your personal space. Aside from that, I'm going back to reading books. Nasa toddler stage na si Mangazon. And during this stage, kung ano yung ginagawa natin, yun yung ginagaya mo. So I wanna get back into the habit of reading para yun din yung gayahin niya. Diba? Kung ano yung minomodel natin or pinapakita natin, yun din yung ginagawa ng mga anak natin. So I'm so glad I'm getting back into the habit of reading. So before, yung mga self-help yung binabasa ko. Pero hindi ko siya ma-stick sa sarili ko. Parang ang dali kong antukin, ang dali kong mapagod. So for now, nag-start ulit ako sa reading novels. I started with Before the Coffee Gets Cold. Just few pages. I'm almost done here. You love slice of life kind of book. This one is good. Slow paced slice of life book. Sad, but definitely healing. Inspiring on how we make use of our time, not dwelling on the past, but rather what we can do moving forward. Book is this very opposite ng slice of life book. This is A Court of Thorns and Roses. Mahilig din kasi ako sa spicy, slow burn romance book. This is a good recommendation that I got. Medyo mabagal daw tong book 1. Mas maganda daw and mas spicy yung book 2, yung A Court of Mist and Fury. But of course, I'm gonna start with this.